If your Toyota shows a pre-collision system (PCS) malfunction warning, it means the vehicle's safety system cannot operate properly. PCS is part of Toyota Safety Sense and uses a front radar sensor and windshield camera to detect potential collisions and automatically apply brakes. When the system detects a fault or obstruction, it disables itself to avoid incorrect braking. Try these. 1. Clean the sensors. Check the radar sensor behind the front grille and the camera area near the rearview mirror. Remove dirt, snow, or debris using a soft cloth. 2. Restart the vehicle. Turn off the engine completely, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then start the car again to reset temporary system errors. 3. Check the battery voltage. Low battery power can trigger PCS warnings. Ensure the battery terminals are tight and the voltage is stable. 4. Reset through the vehicle menu. Open the infotainment display and go to Settings, then Driver Assistance, then Pre-Collision System, then toggle the feature off and back on. 5. Drive the vehicle briefly. Drive above 20 to 30 miles per hour for several minutes so the system can recalibrate the sensors.